Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best F250 Bullet Antenna is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Ford F250 owners who desire a blend of style and functionality, offering a sleek, low-profile design that enhances the truck's aesthetics while maintaining or even improving its radio reception capabilities. This video will delve into the top features, installation process, and overall performance of this popular antenna upgrade, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your F250. Number 5. Ronin Factory 50 Calories Bullet Antenna. It boasts a tough-lock anti-theft design, so you never have to worry about it being stolen. It comes with thread-locking compound to secure your investment. Installation is a breeze. Simply unscrew your old antenna and screw this one in. It includes adapters to fit Ford and Ram trucks. This antenna is built to last with stainless steel hardware and 6061 billet aluminum. The hard anodized black finish is very resistant to chipping. It's completely car wash safe and fits most Ford and Ram trucks from 1990 and 1994 respectively, to current models. Perfect if you use Bluetooth or AUX input. Add some attitude to your truck with this 50 caliber bullet style antenna. It's the same dimensions as a real 50 calories bullet and will turn heads. By choosing Ronin Factory, you're supporting a US company that donates to charity. They've given over $3 million to organizations supporting veterans. Whether your truck is brand new or a classic, this short antenna upgrade gives it a modern, custom look. It's a great accessory for any Ford or Ram truck. What we like. This bullet antenna comes with a unique anti-theft design, ensuring it stays put. Installation is a breeze, it takes only minutes to replace your old antenna. If you value security and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for your truck. What people say. This took me all of 2 minutes to install. Everything needed comes with the antenna, and it looks amazing. I was also very pleased to learn that it had no issues receiving radio signals even though it is much shorter than an OEM antenna. Real easy installation of the antenna. The product is amazing and really makes the truck look nice. Plus now I don't have to worry about my OEM antenna slamming against my garage door every time I come in and out. Easy install and works and looks great. Number 4. Universal Bullet Antenna. Introducing the Universal Bullet Antenna, a stylish and durable replacement for your vehicle's antenna. Its sleek design and high-quality materials will instantly enhance your car's appearance. This antenna is crafted from premium T6061 billet aluminum, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. It's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. It's meticulously designed to match the dimensions of a real .50 caliber bullet, giving it a truly unique and eye-catching look. You'll turn heads wherever you go. It's compatible with a wide range of Ford, Dodge, Jeep, Toyota, and Nissan models, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits yours. Installation is quick and easy. Everything you need is included in the package, the antenna itself, screws, bolts, and rubber rings. You'll be enjoying its stylish look in minutes. The package includes the antenna, along with various sized screws, bolts, and rubber rings to ensure a secure and customized fit for your vehicle. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This antenna boasts compatibility with a huge range of vehicles, thanks to the many adapter options included. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring a long lifespan. If you need a versatile and durable antenna for various vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. I have a Ford F250, very easy to install. I do quite a bit of traveling and I haven't had any issues. It came with adapters which allow it to install on many different antennas and it feels really solid. This antenna has better reception than my original one that was twice as long. Number 3. Samman Blue Aluminum Antenna. It's constructed from high-quality 6061 solid billet aluminum, ensuring strength and durability. The hard anodized black finish keeps it looking bright and vibrant for years to come. Its unique bullet shape is a real head-turner. Prepare for compliments and admiring glances wherever you go. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old antenna, attach the correct adapter, and screw it on. The whole process takes just seconds. It comes with 8 different screw adapters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, Dodge, Jeep, and Toyota models. You'll receive the antenna, 8 adapters, and 2 rings. Everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade is included. What we like. This antenna is built to last with its high-quality aluminum construction and stylish design. Installation is quick and simple, requiring no tools. If you're looking for a durable, good-looking antenna that's easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. The Black Bullet Antenna for the 2014 Ram 1500 is a sleek and practical upgrade for truck enthusiasts seeking improved aesthetics and radio reception. Its low-profile design adds a touch of modern style to the vehicle, replacing the stock antenna with a more compact and visually appealing alternative. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special tools or professional assistance. Performance-wise, the Black Bullet Antenna doesn't sacrifice radio signal strength. Users report clear and consistent reception, comparable to or even better than the stock antenna. Number 2. 5.5-inch bullet antenna for Ford trucks. This short antenna is built to last. It's made of high-quality aluminum and has a durable finish, so it won't chip or fade. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including Ford F-Series trucks, Rangers, Explorers, and many more. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your truck. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old antenna and replace it with this one, it only takes a few minutes. It's designed to withstand car washes. Its short and sturdy design means it won't bend or break easily. This antenna is perfect for off-road vehicles and trucks. Its compact size and durable construction make it ideal for rugged terrains. Unscrew your old antenna, choose the right adapter for your vehicle, attach the adapter to the new antenna, and screw it back into your vehicle. What we like. This antenna is made of high-quality aluminum with a hard anodized finish, ensuring it won't chip or fade. Installation is a snap, and it's built to withstand even the toughest car washes. If you need a durable, easy-to-install, and car wash-safe antenna, this is it. What people say. It's good reception. The main reason is it comes with several adapters that allow for multiple styles of antenna connections. It took 10 minutes in total to get the original antenna off and get the bullet on. He has also found with an older vehicle he now picks up radio stations more clearly. Looks and works great. Solid antenna and no issue with reception of regular radio frequencies or Sirius. Lots of extra adapters to ensure proper fit. Was able to get reception even in northern BC on logging roads. Number 1. 1/250 50 caliber antenna. Upgrade your Ford truck's look and reception with this stylish and durable antenna. It's designed for optimal FM/AM performance. It's built from high-quality T6061 billet aluminum, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. This antenna boasts a sleek, 50 caliber bullet design that enhances your truck's aesthetic appeal. It's as tough as it looks. Installation is a breeze. Simply screw it on, no modifications, cutting, or drilling required. It's compatible with Ford F-Series trucks from 1997 to 2024, including F250, F250, F350, Super Duty, Raptor, and Ranger models. Enjoy crystal clear radio reception with this antenna, specifically designed for optimized FM/AM performance. What we like. Made from high-quality billet aluminum, this antenna is built to withstand the elements. Installation is quick and easy. If you prioritize durability and ease of installation, this antenna is a great choice. What people say. Install was very easy because it comes with a kit. With all different fittings. Works just as good as your normal antenna. Works great in city or country through storms or ice. Definitely recommend purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.